in a specific set of population of Sadatur, a cross-sectional study. Actually, this is a survey cross-sectional study done at one point of almost 470 individuals. So, in this session, I think most of speakers have talked about this Sadvrit, Swasthvrit. Tomar sir has been talked about this Swasthvrit and Sadvrit. I am basically focusing about this PhD research work, what we have done. So this Veg Sandharanam Anarogya Karanam is Agrabhav. As you all know, in Charak Sutra 25. And what our Guruji told us that ki Charak Sutra 25 you have to study for 25 times. Charak Sutra 25 बार पढ़िए. तो उसके अग्र भावों का आप एक इनपुट आप यूज कर सकते हैं. So this is the main भाव. Because we are the scholars of the Samhita Siddhant, so we should focus on the Siddhant and come back these principles in practical way. And the study has been chosen into in three equal groups. That is Sadatur, what we know in Charak Siddhi, that Shrotri, Raj Sevak, Panyajivi and Vaishya. So we are not taking that Vaishya because it is not legitimate to our study. So we have taken students, service class and shopkeepers. Equally divided 150 people in three equal groups. And these are the prologue. I am not going detail about this. And as we all know what is Veg Sandharana. But why we have chosen only three Vegas? That is because they are directly associated with the Ahar month. And they are greater in quantity and greater in frequency. As we all know, ki Mudra, Purish and Apanvai. These are the three basic Vegas. And knowingly, unknowingly, the people in the hall, yeah, somewhere else at workplace, they knowingly, unknowingly suppress these Vegas. And these are the basically solid, liquid and gas form. So these are the basic physical form of Ahar. So I will go directly into, I am not going these rationale or basis of the study. What was the central research question? Central research question was that cross-sectional assessment. We have to do cross-sectional assessment at one place at one time. So this was the central research question, and the primary hypothesis what we made is that we have to find out the prevalence of these three Vegas in three different groups at one place of time. So I will directly move to my aim of the study is to validate the harmful effect and manifestation of the diseases due to suppression of these urges. And my primary objective was to find out the prevalence rate. And my secondary objective was to create awareness.
5 minutes.
Okay. So directly I am coming, sir, to my research, my studies and conclusion. The 470 individuals have been taken. I am not going detail into the statistical analysis. So directly I am moving to the conclusion part. So instead of what the future studies, what we have observed, the future study is going on almost 2,000 people right now. So what we have prepared, a questionnaire has been prepared from all over India, from 15 experts from IA and NIA and more other institutes. So directly I am going to the conclusion part. So what we observed in Mudra Ved, what we observed the sign and symptom, basically what sign and symptom most frequently we get was the Adman. And in Purish, the Kukshi Shul, what we found. So I will not go and strength weakness of and what we call in today's research SWOC, strength, weakness, opportunity and challenges. The strength was we are focusing on the Sadbrit and Sanskrit, that we are neglecting. The Charak Sutra, what 7 chapters has been dedicated to, and the weakness was this study should be carried out on the more broader level. The challenges we face, ki some of the means they are true to their opinion or not, and what we can do further, we can use AI and some of the tools we can prepare, or we can make a digital clock or something like that. And secondary thing, we must create an environment, a friendly environment, that nobody should bake sandharan. Nobody should do bake sandharan. So this was the questionnaire. If somebody want, I can share it for further research. Thank you so much.